So we got a 10-minute look here today, and I'm starting out with a primer first and foremost. Gonna let that sit in my pores a couple seconds and then go in with a mint green concealer. That really helps with any redness, any kind of deep scarring. That really helps hide any kind of those imperfections. Then move in with a foundation and a mix with my tinted moisturizer so that I get the benefits of both of those types of foundational products. Then I use a stippling technique and push the product into my skin, moving it all around. And don't forget to blend around your jawline. Then I set my cream products with a setting powder or a pressed powder to take any shine out, and it helps set my cream products that much better. Then I start working around the eyes. Using a brow mascara is a very simple way to add a little bit of fill and a little bit of color to your brows. Don't mind my helper behind me. My hairstylist, I should call her. As I let that brow mascara dry, I am going to go in with a liquid eyeshadow. Liquid eyeshadows are super easy and simple to use. You can use the applicator that it comes with and just use your brush to blend and create more of like a seamless transition and really nice fluffy edges. Typically for a 10-minute look, I will go between 2 and 3 colors. Today's look, I am going with 2 colors. One darker color in my crease and a lighter color on my lid. They are cream to liquid consistency, so once they dry, they will dry to a powder form and just last all day long. Next, always using some kind of eyeliner. I love this waterproof one so it doesn't ever make me look like a raccoon, as well as I just did a tight line technique. Now, if I have some extra time, I will go in and fill my brows with a brow pencil to get a more crisp, clean look to my brows, as well as I will throw in for a 10-minute makeup look a little bit of lip liner to kind of create a little bit of boldness and dimension in my lips. I overdraw a little bit of my top and bottom lip just to get a more full look. This is difficult to do while my hairdresser is working. Then I go in with a lip gloss and make sure that the edges of my lip liner are blended well with my lip color. Then I finish off my look with a mascara. This is a vegan mascara, one of my favorites actually. And do a couple coats depending on the look you're trying to get with your mascara. Oh my gosh, what a little jokester behind me. After my mascara, I do go in with a setting spray. This helps lock all of my makeup into place.